Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. It's been quite a while since I posted a video. Just really haven't anything too exciting to post. I've been working on two gadgets especially for quite a while. Finally had some success. So I'll start with this first one. It's by my friend gzumwalt. I always like the things he designs. They're sort of interesting and always unusual. And for me, a challenge to build. So this came out pretty good. Let me start it up. And what it is a little marble up there. You can hear it. They shoot that marble around really fast. So I was lucky. I had all the parts to build this. Everything didn't quite fit perfectly with the on-off switch at the bottom. It didn't quite work the way it's supposed to, so that's why I had to use a tool. And then this I've left sort of loose. But there's a little motor in there and some rubber wheels. It's just fun to play with. Anyway, I got that to work. And you can see it's a pretty simple little gadget. The base has batteries in it, an on-off switch, and then there's a motor back here with some printed wheel with O-rings on it. So I'm going to turn this off. Okay, so that took me a while to get to work correctly. And this is another thing. It took quite a while to print all the parts to get them to fit correctly, and then also to understand how it goes together. There's a lot of different parts that are very similar, and I had a lot of difficulty trying to figure out what was what. But I'm trying to hold this with one hand. It cranks. Let's see if I can do this. I'm not too good at this, but uh-oh, wrong way. But it spins, and then when you quit spinning it, the disc takes off. But here's all the different parts. I've got 3 of them ready to go. One's assembled. This one's just about done. This one I've left not assembled so that the gears are obvious. And what I'm going to do is put some pictures on there indicating which gears and shafts are where. But anyway, I just thought this might be interesting. Next project I'm going to work on is I got a kit or a set of kits from Bambu Labs. They've got something called cyber bricks or cyber blocks. Anyway, they send you a bunch of electronic pieces you can purchase, and then it's a remote control, transmitter, receiver, motors. Everything goes together, and you can make different things. This is going to be the controller, and so I've got to put it together yet. And then one of the interesting things about this little guy is you make your own bearings, ball bearings, and you use these 6mm airsoft BBs, and I'm glad I got a lot of them. It takes about 150 to do one. I probably have 150 times 3 to put these together, and then about that many more on the floor somewhere. They're really tricky to put the bearings together. You just got to snap them in there. So it's been a learning experience. Got a lot of extra parts left, and a couple of trial and errors. So that's the way I usually do things. Thanks for watching. I'll have listings for all this stuff in the description. Thank you.